for people who are asking me about the homeschooling updates that we are going to do. So basically, as you might know, that we are homeschooling my 2.5-year-old. So 2.5 years is something like, is a very small toddler. So there are certain things that we do in our homeschool, and there are some structural learning that is going to happen right from the September 1st. I'm a kind of a person who fix dates for few things and I start doing it from then. So I used to plan before getting into it. So if you guys know, we have been doing homeschooling for quite a few months because Shiradu asked for it after she turned two. She really wanted to go to school, and I thought of doing a structured learning at home. So that's how our homeschooling came into picture. And then we went for a vacation to India for the past 1 month, and we were not doing continuing to do any homeschooling thing. And all these months, basically I was not very prepared for the homeschooling thing, and I got along about the playtime, the activities, and collecting materials, gathering my knowledge, learning so many other things like phonics, regarding math, so many things I've been learning. So right now I have some structure in mind. I have some curriculum planned, and I have just some ideas to implement in our homeschool from September 1st. So we just came back from India, and the past this week we have already started our homeschooling, but it's just going with the flow, like a lot of practical life activities because we have a lot of things to do at home to get into the routine, get into that new timing and get into this new place, settle in the new place. So and also to know how much she's able to, able to focus. So basically when we went for the vacation, all the routines got changed, and I could see that her attention span was kind of less, and she was also having a lot of separation anxiety and so much. So once we came back here, I wanted to her to settle down here, and she's slowly settling down, and I can see that she is more interested again to start her learning. And from September 1, what trying to do is I'm going to start with reading for English and Tamil and math, and yeah, so only these three things I have planned for now. So English, math, and Tamil. And also we have just a minute. I can show you guys the curriculum which we are going to use. This is from big. This is from Sabutri Kids. They have some kind of 1 whole year of homeschooling curriculum. So this particular thing is from 2.5 years to 3.5 years. If you had been following me on Instagram, I would have shown you about this. So this is particular curriculum which they have 1 month of uh, things planned here, so which is mentioned in this book also. And they're also giving different materials also. So we're planning to use this. We have already started using it, and Shradhu loves to do this. We have been using this rhymes every day when we start our homeschooling, and she really loves to do this. And I can also see that she's singing along. So this is a finger painting that she did. She just wanted to do one or two finger paints, and then she didn't want to do it. And then we also did this, and and also she used to open the pages, and she used to ask for this rhymes we did. And she used to ask for things herself, and she loves this activity, and she gets this. I use a tray and bowls to transfer the activity. She do this with multiple things, like she will also open and pour. So we have been using this curriculum as well, and this is just one curriculum that we are going to use. And also um, so I have also got some idea for the reading skills, especially for English and Tamil. So for English and Tamil, I'm going to follow a structured pattern. So you will be getting all the updates in my homeschooling Instagram page, Baby Led Homeschooling. You'll be seeing a lot of posts over there. I'll be posting whatever I'm doing so that people can also follow along if interested. And also I am going to start with the Montessori math. You guys know I am a great follower of right brain education, and we have been doing right brain education since Shraddha was an infant. And right now, since she's 2.5, I think we can get into the Montessori math materials using the Montessori math materials. And from India, I have got some materials to introduce to her. I don't know how she's going to accept it, but let's see. I don't want to push her on anything. I continue to do the librarian education, and starting to do the Montessori math. And for reading, I'm not particularly doing any particular phonics, but there are combination of multiple things that I'm planning to do. We already do reading flashcards, but in addition to that, and also we already been doing books, but in addition to that, as a structured learning for each sound. Definitely I'm going to start with sounds, not the alphabets, but for each sound I'm planning to have a structured learning for every week or 2 days, depending on her interest. And so that is what I'm going to do. With respect to flashcards, just introducing her back to the old flashcards that we were using, or all the retired flashcards which we did before 1 year or so. That is what we are doing it again. And I'm preparing few more flashcards for the upcoming weeks based on the things I really want to introduce to her, especially on the culture, especially on the science and the art. Okay, so this is what the update that many people were DMing, messaging me, asking for how what I do in homeschooling. So basically, it was all in the planning stage all these months, and right now I think from September 1, I think I'm more prepared. But then it needs a lot of patience and time to prepare all the materials and plan all these things. But yeah, so whatever we are doing, I'll try to post it in my Instagram page, I'll be posting them in my Instagram page, Baby Led Homeschooling. So if anybody is interested in homeschooling the toddlers in the baby led way, then maybe you can try following me there. And I will also try to come live with any of the materials in YouTube to show you guys in future. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye bye.